beautiful people, welcome to Glam by Noel. If you are new here, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. In 1954, Christian Dior revolutionized the world's first pencil skirt, which changed women's fashion. Whether you select statement-making florals or sparkling sequins, sensuous leather or sumptuous lace, there are a myriad of creative ways to bring out this style. Denim pencil skirt. The denim pencil skirt is a must-have for women who worship vintage-loving heroines like Alexa Chung and Chloe Sevigny. This denim dream is the perfect complement to any summer collection, since it is chic, easygoing, and effortlessly casual. Leather pencil skirt. If you're looking for a sensual, stylish, and downright powerful addition to your wardrobe, go no further. All of these and more may be found in a leather pencil skirt. This powerful design exudes self-assurance, making it suitable for practically any occasion. Floral pencil skirt. Adding a few flowers to your attire is never a mistake in our book. It's always fun, flirty, and a tad theatrical.